guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michaela if you're new here, and this is my friend Paige. And we went to Trader Joe's and got all of their fall pumpkin stuff, and we're gonna try it out for y'all so you can know how good or bad it is before you go and buy it. But let's get started. Paige got Oni some pumpkin treats. It's like the one thing they have for dogs. Set. Shake. He thinks it's in your hand.
Shake. He's not doing that.
Oh yeah. You looked away and he did it.
He knows what to do. They're so big. They're so big.
Oh yeah. It looks like a biscuit.
I know.
Like an actual, oh no, you know what it looks like? Like a Fig Newton.
How is it, Oni? What's your review?
It looks like a 5 out of 10. Unless he just doesn't know how to eat it.
Just kind of falls out of his mouth. I'll come back for it. How is that? It's so good. You want some?
Oh, he wants more. So 10 out of 10, I
10 out of
guess. 10. Yep. 10 out of 10. We pushed all this stuff aside, so now we have our plates, and you can see what we're eating. First, we're gonna try the pumpkin waffles. I've never tried these before. Have you?
I have not. No.
Okay. Toasted the waffle. We're just gonna split it. Ooh. It's kind of doughy.
Is it doughy?
Yeah.
And it needs like something on top.
Yeah.
For like a fair rating. Like,
It needs like maple syrup.
like butter, like cream cheese or something.
So it's good.
I like it.
But if you're wanting like a waffle that legit tastes like pumpkin pie or something, this is not it. Okay, so we're gonna give 2 different ratings. One, just overall taste. And the second one, like how pumpkin-y it is, I guess. So this one, pumpkin-y scale, like, I don't know, like a 3.
I'll give it a 4 on the pumpkin scale.
Okay.
Out of what?
Out of 10. And overall, I would give it an 8 for a frozen waffle. Because it's really good. I like it.
For a frozen waffle, it's actually really good because it got crispy on the outside and it's still really doughy on the inside. Okay, it's good enough I keep eating it. So,
And I'm gonna finish mine. It's so good.
what did we give it a score for like overall?
I gave it an 8. You said yeah, so
I think
yeah, that is an 8.
I think it's 7.
I think it's 7.
Like the texture is really good, but I think it needs to be a little sweeter for a waffle.
I'm getting close to 9. I don't know. Maybe my standards for frozen waffles are low.
Next, we're gonna try these cookies. They're kind of like the animal crackers that have the pink and white frosting all over them.
Oh, you still
That you buy at the grocery store. I don't know what they're called.
What were they called?
Oh yeah,
Yeah, they're like circus animals.
I think so. Yeah, I think they were like, yeah.
My mom would never let me get them at the store.
Really? Okay, these are impossible to open. Packaging, a 0. A 2, so it's cute.
2 hours later.
They look just like the animal crackers, but they're little pumpkins. Even when you're biting, you can smell it. It's strong.
Oh, these are so good.
Okay, these are really good.
They taste like cookies.
The cinnamon is really strong. Pumpkin scale, a 9. It honestly tastes like it's really, really strong, but it tastes more like cinnamon than pumpkin. But overall taste, I'd say a 10.
So I would get a 7 on the pumpkin scale.
Yeah.
But like a 9 overall. They're amazing.
Okay, next we're gonna do the gluten-free pumpkin bagels. They have regular ones, but we also didn't see the regular pumpkin bagels. And then pumpkin cream cheese spread. Cream cheese spread.
I've already dug into this, so I know it's good.
There's only a few left. Okay, we got our toasted bagels and put some of the cream cheese on it. Let's see. I mean, we've already eaten this before, but
It's as good as ever.
it's really good. This bagel is really soft and chewy. It's really good. And the cream cheese, of course, is amazing. The bagel on the pumpkin scale, kind of like the waffle, honestly like a 3. But then the actual overall bagel, I think a 9. It could be a little thicker.
So the bagel I give, on the pumpkin scale I give a 4. It's kind of pumpkin-y, not really. Overall, I'll give it an 8. It's a really good bagel. I think the cream cheese is my favorite part. I give the cream cheese a 9, but on the pumpkin scale I give it a 7 on the pumpkin scale.
On the pumpkin scale, I would give it like a 6. It's honestly more sweet than pumpkin-y tasting, but overall the cream cheese, I think it's like a 10 out of 10. It's really good. Next, we're gonna do the pumpkin spice hummus. So it kind of when you think about it, hummus, that's like a savory thing, tasting like pumpkin spice. It's kind of weird.
I'm nervous to try this.
But honestly, it sounds good too. Because it kind of sounds like it tastes exactly like a pumpkin pie.
Yeah.
We're just gonna use the bagel to dip in it. Oh, it kind of looks weird.
I'm scared.
Like, it kind of looks a little odd. I don't know, it looks like a brown pumpkin pie. At first, the texture really like made me kind of gag a little bit.
Okay, but it does taste exactly like pumpkin pie.
It does. So if you're craving pumpkin pie but don't want a whole piece or can't go buy a whole pie, maybe because you live by yourself.
Maybe you want something healthier?
Yeah.
Hummus
But
is
I was gonna
healthy.
say, let's see like what's all in it.
I think we should try it.
It's literally hummus, sugar, and pumpkin puree.
We should try it with
That.
cracker.
Okay.
Just to make sure
To
it's
give it
not
like a fair
that.
rating.
Yeah.
Okay, second time the texture didn't throw me off.
Yeah, me either. Yeah, I really like it.
I did too.
I like the cracker.
Like pumpkin taste, a 10 out of 10 because it literally tastes like pumpkin pie.
Mhm.
You don't even taste the chickpeas at all. Overall, I think a 9 because it tastes really, really good. But I don't think I could just sit there and eat something this sweet, like scooping it out like that.
I would give it a 10 on the pumpkin scale because it tastes exactly like pumpkin pie, and then probably an 8 overall.
Next, we're gonna try the pumpkin butter. I think it's kind of like a pumpkin jam, right?
Yeah.
It kind of looks like applesauce. I'm nervous.
No, this one's good.
Okay.
Don't be worried.
Okay. That's really sweet.
I think it kind of thawed too much.
I never put it in the fridge.
Oh, that makes sense. Okay, I think it's better in the fridge.
Okay. I would have put it in the fridge after, but
Yeah. And then you like put it on like pumpkin breads and stuff. I think it's better that way. It tastes like pumpkin. 10 on the pumpkin scale.
really.
Yeah, I think it tastes just like pumpkin. It tastes
I
like,
think like
the
a-
pumpkin in a can almost.
Really? I think it tastes. I think it's like an 8. It's more sweet than pumpkin tasting.
But then like overall, deep thawed on a cracker. Don't do that. I'd give it like a 4.
Yeah.
Not good. Put it in the fridge. It's better.
I think I'm gonna say a 4 too. I don't think I would ever grab this, honestly.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what I put it on. I don't even think I put it like on a muffin.
It's not very useful.
I don't know. Next, we're gonna try these pumpkin tortilla chips. I don't think I've tried these either.
I've never seen them.
Oh, it's a good chip.
That is a good chip.
It kind of tastes like the healthy chips that have like seeds and stuff all in them. You know what I'm talking about?
Mm-hmm. I like these. I don't taste the
I don't think it tastes like pumpkin at all. I would say like maybe a 1.
It says real pumpkin puree, pumpkin seeds, sweet with cinnamon, nutmeg. I think maybe it would taste more pumpkin-y if we hadn't just eaten literal pumpkin
Yeah.
butter. But they're good chips. Highly
Overall,
recommend.
like a 6 for chips. It needs more salt.
No, I'd give it a 1 on the pumpkin scale. I think I'd give it a 7 overall. Yeah, I really like the chip.
We'll do the pumpkin JoJo's. These are really good. I tried them before, but I don't remember exactly what they taste like. They're basically like Oreos, but Trader Joe's version and pumpkin flavored.
I've never tried a JoJo.
Really?
Like
I
never
don't-
gotten them.
I don't like the Halloween ones. The black ones. I've gotten those before. You don't like it?
I don't like them. Do you like them?
Mm-hmm. So the cookie tastes like a graham cracker. It doesn't really taste pumpkin-y. I think the filling is more pumpkin-y. It's kind of like a 4 on the pumpkin scale. I think the cinnamon kind of helps it out, but they're
Yeah.
really sweet. Overall, cookie-wise, I would give it a 9. I think it's too much filling for me. I'm more of like a thin Oreo person.
I don't know. They're not as good as Oreos.
Oh, well, yeah.
I don't know. Pumpkin scale, I give it like a 6. Overall, I'm gonna give it like a 4. I don't know why I don't like it. It's
They're
not-
really sweet.
no, they're super sweet.
Are these pumpkin flavored though?
I don't think those are.
They look like these.
We have a guest appearance, Dylan, my husband. What do you think of those?
Very bland.
Okay.
Oh,
So these are the fall leaves corn tortilla chips. They're really cute because they look like leaves.
but cute's not important. Taste is important.
They could be
I think they're
saltier.
bland.
No.
I think those have more taste.
Those taste more pumpkin-y though.
They
don't
have a weird
pumpkin,
taste
it's just- No.
There's something weird about them.
It needs like more salt.
It definitely needs more salt to like overpower the. There's just a strange taste to them. Like they have tomato powder, carrot powder, pumpkin powder, sea salt, beet powder, paprika for color,
Getting used to the non
and a trace of lime. Pumpkin
That's
scale,
zero.
0. It literally doesn't
These aren't
taste
pumpkin.
like pumpkin at all.
Not at all.
It also doesn't say pumpkin, so that was
It
kind
does
of
on
my
the
fault.
back though.
It does. Crunchy leaf-shaped chip is made with stone ground corn and hardy harvest vegetables, including pumpkins, carrots, and beets. Except their way of saying there's pumpkin in this is pumpkin powder. So, but yeah, pumpkin scale 0. Overall taste, like a 5. No, because it tastes weird.
I give it like a 3 because there's no salt. But they're really cute, so that
Yeah.
maybe 4.
I think I'm gonna give it a 2. They're cute, but they taste really weird and there's no salt. The next thing we're gonna try is the pumpkin pie perfect bar. I actually used to be obsessed with these. Only a couple times.
I couldn't find
Trader
them all
Joe's.
last fall.
Yeah, Trader Joe's did not have them last year. I remember asking.
So this year when they were out, I got every single one my Trader Joe's had.
The fall before last, I probably had these almost every day.
Used to get them in undergrad a lot.
Mhm.
Starbucks.
Yes.
That's fun.
The Starbucks had them. I forgot about that. Yeah, these are so good. I think pumpkin scale, a 10. It tastes just like pumpkin, but not too sweet, not too much cinnamon, a good like overall balanced pumpkin taste. And then overall an 8.
I give it a 10 overall. They're amazing. So
They are good.
Should we try the coffee?
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna try this one.
Next is the La Colombe pumpkin spice cold brew. Ooh, it's thick.
This is
That
like
looks-
chocolate milk.
It looks really good. This is a lot of dairy for my body. Oh, it's not that sweet. I like that though.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It doesn't really taste that pumpkin-y, honestly. Kind of like if chai tea was like a coffee. I think that's what it tastes like. Or it just tastes like there's cinnamon all through it.
Yeah,
But
like
not
some
that
spice,
much.
but
Yeah.
not really like pumpkin. More like, I guess, pumpkin spice.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'd like drink this on the rug, but it's pretty good. Like on the regular.
I think it's on the rug. Oh my gosh. But I think pumpkin taste a 1 and overall taste. I'm gonna give it a 7 because I don't really like creamy coffee. I like black coffee.
Yeah, I like the cream.
Yeah.
We both don't drink
Yeah.
cream in our coffee, so
Black
I'll
coffee.
give it a 5 overall, just because I don't like the creamy
Yeah.
milky.
But it tastes good though for having milk in it.
Yeah,
Because
usually
usually
they're like give it a 2.
Yeah. So I bought pumpkin pie spice. We're not gonna try that obviously because it's just spice. I just bought it because I needed pumpkin spice and it's pumpkin-y. Next up, we're gonna try both of these. This is the gluten-free pumpkin bread and muffin mix. And then this is just the regular one. I put the gluten-free ones in this little pumpkin pan that I just got from Crate & Barrel. I'll link it down below. Oh, it does look like a pumpkin from that side.
That's so cute.
Look at how cute it is. It's a little pumpkin muffin.
So when I made mine, I made the non-gluten-free version, and I put some of the pumpkin cream cheese in the middle to bake it in there. Okay, which one should we try first?
Let's try the regular. That's good. I
It's
like
so
that
good,
one.
right?
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Okay. What do you rate it?
10 out of 10.
Really?
Yeah.
10 for
With
both?
the cream cheese in the middle? Absolutely. Pumpkin scale, I give it like an 8 though.
Yeah.
Doesn't taste like straight pumpkin or anything.
I think pumpkin scale I would give it, I think a 7. I think it tastes pretty pumpkin-y, but not too much. Overall scale, the texture is really good, really moist, and I think overall, I think a 10 out of 10. Yeah.
It's so good.
I think it's really
So
good. Now we're gonna try the gluten-free one. I love this one.
It's good. Not as good as this one.
I think the regular one is a little bit more pumpkin-y, when the gluten-free one is way spicier. It's like pumpkin spice. Has a lot more seasoning in it. And cinnamon. But they're both like really moist. The texture of them is perfect. Pumpkin scale, I would give the gluten-free one a 6. And overall taste, I think a 9. It's really good, but it's a little strong, like spice-wise.
I will give it an 8 overall. It's really good, but not as good as the non-gluten-free version. Pumpkin scale, I give it a 6 also.
Next thing we're gonna try is the pumpkin butternut squash bisque. I've never had any type of soup or anything pumpkin flavored.
Panera has like a squash like soup that I like, but not, I don't know if it has pumpkin in it.
That sounds so gross.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of nervous. Remove lid, pierce film, and microwave on high for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, the soup is cooled down, so we're gonna try it.
I like it.
Really?
It's so good.
It's just different.
That's so good.
I also didn't know what I was expecting.
Yeah.
Well, you can take that home with you.
That would be my dinner.
Pumpkin scale, like a 7. I mean, it tasted a lot like pumpkin. Overall scale, I'm gonna give it a 1. It's really sweet for a soup and it just tastes weird.
I don't know, I really like it. I like really fall tasting soups.
Yeah.
I think it's perfect. I give it like a 7 overall.
Last thing we have is the cheesecake. We'll see.
So I dropped the ball with this one. It's been in my freezer for quite a while now.
It may still be pretty cold.
Yes, it's probably rock solid frozen.
Oh, no, it's not rock solid.
It's not.
No.
So it's been like sitting on the counter for like 2-3 hours now.
Off the bat, overall taste, like a 10 out of 10 for cheesecake. Pumpkin scale, I think a 6. It's honestly more sweet than pumpkin tasting, but it does have that pumpkin taste and a little bit of spice.
It's like a
over
really
anything.
sweet cheesecake. I think I give it 7 out of 10 for overall, and like a 4 out of 10 for pumpkin.
Overall, all this stuff was really good, and I hope you found some things and good recs to buy at Trader Joe's. But thanks so much for watching this video with us, and like and subscribe down below. Bye.